Access your customer database and reports all in one place, the Unity Enterprise Back Office. This simplifies program management by keeping all your loyalty programs' data and insights readily available. Curious about your loyalty program's growth? Simply head to Accounts and then Customers. This will show you a list of all your customers, including their names, account details, and contact information. You can easily identify loyalty members by looking for the Loyalty tag in the Customer Type column. Additional features also includes adding existing customers to preloaded groups for tier rewarding, as well as the ability to export your loyalty database to Excel. Keep a pulse on your loyalty program with ease. Both the campaign and voucher reports are readily available under Reporting. These reports offer the insights you need to track and monitor your program's growth. Plus, with the ability to create and customize export templates and even set up subscriptions, staying informed is a breeze. Use the voucher report to understand voucher issuance and redemption patterns, and the campaign report to track the effectiveness of each campaign for both overall performance and per loyalty customer. The campaign report tracks transactions by campaign, including loyalty member names, invoices, and transaction dates. This makes it easy to identify your top spenders or pinpoint stores where loyalty engagement might be low. Want to understand your voucher program's effectiveness? The voucher report tracks each voucher's journey, from issuance to redemption, including the value redeemed and order details. This helps you gain valuable insights into how your vouchers are driving sales. Start exploring these reports today to optimize your loyalty program and maximize customer engagement.